The aim of the project is a comparative analysis of models of Catholic socio-cultural periodicals published during the Second Polish Republic. The subject of the study includes three periodicals we see: the highly rated Cultura, the popular Tęcza, and the philosophical Verbum. Intended for the Catholic intelligentsia, these periodicals are varied in character, level, and attractiveness. The chosen research problem indicates a notable importance of the Catholic press in that period, and the fact that little attention was given to the issue by media researchers. The aim include characterization and comparison of the examples of the magazines which digitized versions were used. The main research hypotheses concern the periodical's contribution to the promotion of Christian values by the Church in one of the most important media, which was at that time the press. According to Andrzej Paczkowski, the press of the Catholic Church and the subordinate lay organizations was a publishing powerhouse and accounted for 27% of the total circulation of the press. The research methodology will involve press content analysis method and qualitative and comparative method. We have more differences than similarities. The highly rated Cultura, commonly known as the body of the Catholic Action Movement, we have the popular and family Tęcza, which was a periodical for lay Catholics, the philosophical Verbum, a publishing expression of a club called Kółko created by the Reverend Władysław Korniłowicz. What is important, the editorial board of Monthly Tęcza put care into the colorful graphic design and implemented the latest photographical trends. For this purpose, they hired well-respected graphic designers and organized cover art contests. The most popular weekly Kultura from Poznań and the quarterly Verbum were, as these types of periodicals often are, rather modest regarding their form of editing. These periodicals had different target readers, despite having a common audience and a Catholic character. We have two similarities. Kultura, Tęcza, and Verbum played an important role in creating profiles of Catholic periodicals in Poland, were critical in shaping audiences' opinions in the Second Polish Republic. The papers co-created one of the most important mass media of the time, the press. The hypothesis of the researchers is positive. Kultura, Tęcza, and Verbum are representative and recognizable examples of Polish magazines in the interwar period. The philosophical and theological interests of the Kółko club were expressed via the Verbum magazine. It played a formative role among the Polish intelligentsia, noticeable in church circles. We have some bibliography, some books and articles. What is important to mention that we have bibliographies, the content of Tęcza and content of Kultura. Thank you for your attention.